Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil service mains, IFS and various gate exam. Now we are solving some questions based on article entropy. Question number 20 is stick vertex tube shown in figure given below is supplied with 5 kg per second of air. Inlet 1, this is inlet 1, at 500 kp and 300 Kelvin. Two separate streams of air are leaving the devices from outlet 2 and 3. This is 2 and this is 3. Hot air leaves the device at the rate of 3 kg per second from outlet 2 at 100 kPa and 340 Kelvin and 2 kg per second of cold air stream is leaving the device from outlet 3 at 100 kPa and 240 Kelvin. Assume constant specific heat of air at 1005 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Gas constant is 287 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. There is no work transfer across the boundary of this device. The rate of entropy generation in kilowatt per Kelvin round up to 1 decimal places. So now we have the TDS relation as TDS is equal to PD plus V. So we can modify this relation using H is equal to U plus PV and taking differential both sides. So it will be DH is equal to DU plus PD plus VD. This is equation number 2. Okay. So now we can put here plus PdV and minus VdP. Okay, so this will make this first 3 will make DH and here will be minus VdP. So now TDS is equal to DH minus VdP and DS is equal to DH by T minus V by T dt, or we can say DH is equal to Cp dt and V by T is equal to R by T. So after integration within limits S2 minus S1 is your Cp ln T2 minus T2 by T1 minus R ln T2 by T1. So this is the change in entropy relation in terms of temperature ratio and pressure ratio and in terms of Cp and R. Okay. So now if we consider location 1 and 2 and consider unit mass, then at location 2 the pressure and temperature is given, and at location 1 the pressure and temperature are given, R is given, Cp is given. So we can find out the specific entropy putting these values. Okay, so it comes out as 5.587 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So if we multiply the mass of hot stream with it, because here the hot stream is going out, then we'll get the total entropy change from location 1 to 2. So that is 3 into 0.587, that is 1.761 kilowatt per Kelvin. Now we can also apply this relationship to location 2, to location 1 and 3. Okay. So because at 3 temperature is given and at 1 the temperature and pressure are known, so we can put this, so it will come out as 0.24465 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. And now mass is also given, that is flowing from 1 to 3, that is 2 kg. So we multiply it with mass, then we can find out the entropy change from location 1 to 3. So total entropy change will be entropy change from location 1 to 2 plus entropy change from location 1 to 3, or that is your entropy generation. So it comes out as 2.25 kilowatt per Kelvin.